Adrian, and I'd like to thank Tinetton for sending me this multifunctional 3-in-1 portable charging stand for my Apple devices. Let's take a closer look at what comes inside this small package. There's a portable charging stand with a non-detachable USB cable, a magnetic foldable charging dock for your Apple Watch, and my favorite feature about this compact charging stand would have to be the two built-in cables. On the left, there's a 1 amp cable for my Airpods, and on the right, there's a 2 amp cable for my iPhone. The link to this product will be in the description below. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of my videos. There are 2 more items that's included in this package. There's a pattern option which allows you to dock your Apple Watch perfectly depending on the size of your watch, and the fact that they thought of this shows quality in your design. Here's an example of me placing my Apple Watch on the stand with the pattern so that I can charge my watch in the proper position. There's also a USB Type-C adapter which gives this product the flexibility of using 2 different wall chargers or a portable power bank with 2 different outputs. Here I am using my portable power bank to show you how versatile and compact this product is. It's absolutely perfect for an everyday carry fan. I'd like to thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. It helps my channel out big time. So, danke. This is Adrian Antonio, and I'm out.